Christmas and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Last night I took it very easy and I had a pepperoni Red Baron pizza. And if you saw the photos, that is not grease, that is hot sauce. Tabasco. Yes, I love hot sauce. Why use red pepper flakes when you can use hot sauce like a Tabasco or a Crystal or another that you like? Yeah. I am dining alone today, whatever. But I am doing something a little special. I'm doing a roast beef. It's a pound and a half or so. Not too big. I expect leftovers. I'm doing roasted baby red potatoes. This is one of my go-tos. I love this. Olive oil, some garlic. Yeah, we'll get there. I ran across this recipe just in the last week or so. Roasted sweet potatoes with garlic and Parmesan. And last but not least, a garlic and herb creamed corn. It's just a variation on creamed corn. Okay, let's get to it. Got some hardware. Some pretty simple hardware. For the beef, this is the beef I'm using. It's been in the freezer for a while. What's interesting, it uses as a coating sour cream, butter, garlic powder, onion powder, basil, oregano, and kosher salt and black pepper. Yeah, basically you mix all the butter and the sour cream and the herbs and spices, and then you rub it all over the wonderful beef and roast it. Baby red potatoes, it's real simple. Kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, olive oil, potatoes, which I'll cut up later. The sweet potato is kind of similar. It's basically the sweet potato. I'm going to peel it, and I'm going to cut it into discs. And this gets all done with olive oil, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. The corn is about 12 ounces of corn, whole kernel. Some butter, some flour for thickening this alouette garlic and herb cheese spread, and some heavy cream and whole milk. So in actuality, it's a pretty simple meal. I'm going to have plenty of leftovers, which is okay. Me being out on my own right now. Oh my God, I'm kind of glare. Okay. I'll go that way. There we go. All right. So, yeah. And kind of not to be a downer, this is I'm shaking a little bit. This is my first Christmas alone. I'm going to switch hands here. When I joined the Air Force, left college and joined the United States Air Force. I got there into Lackland Air Force Base in Texas, like the 12th or 13th of December. So that Christmas, technically, I wasn't with my family, but I was with my Air Force family. And from then on, I've always had some place to go, or mostly family. So yeah, this year's a little, yeah. So, on this Christmas, may it be merry. Have a great day. Eat great food no matter where you are. And have fun cooking.